We have 4.3, question number 4. The sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages in years. 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. So what does the question say? The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman's ages. 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Okay, so first let me write let x years be the present age of Rahman. So what is spelling? This is Rehman. That is the present age of Rahman. What is x? X is the present age of Rahman. So example, if you're 16 years old, then your present age is 16 years. So if you're 20 years old today, you're 20 years now, but before 3 years, that means 3 years ago, your age will be definitely 20 minus 3, that means 17. But today you are 20 years old, but before 3 years, that means 3 years ago, your age is 17. But 5 years from now, you will be how much? 20 plus 5, so it will be 25. Similarly, let us find the age of Rahman 3 years ago and 5 years from now. Let me write 3 years ago. His age equal to how much it will be? X minus 3. Then it will be years. And the next is 5 years from now. From now, his age equal to x plus 5. Then this will be again years. But the question says that sum of the reciprocals of Rahman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Okay, this is the age of Rahman 3 years ago, and the reciprocal of x minus 3 means it will be 1 by x minus 3. So let me write here by question 1 by x minus 3. Sum of the reciprocals. Sum means we should add reciprocal of this and reciprocal of this. For this, we are going to write here x plus 5, 1 by x plus 5. This is how much? 1 by 3. We'll take LCM now. If you take the LCM of x minus 3 and x plus 5, you'll be getting how much? X minus 3 whole, then x plus 5 whole. Still it will be 1 by 3. So now x plus 5 will multiply here. So we'll get here x plus 5, again plus. X minus 3 multiplies here, so that we'll be getting here x minus 3. Okay, so now what happened here? X plus x will be getting twice x. And then here, plus 5 minus 3, you'll be getting here plus 2. Divided by x into x, we have here x square. X into plus 5, we'll be getting here plus 5x. Minus 3 into x, minus thrice x. Minus 3 into plus 5, we have here minus 15, then equal to 1 by 3. Okay, implies twice x plus 2. Below that we have x square plus 5x minus thrice x. We have twice x minus 15 equal to 1 by 3. Implies what happened now? We'll do the cross multiplication. This x square plus twice x minus 15 will multiply with 1, so that you will be getting here x square plus twice x minus 15. And then what happened? This 3 will multiply with twice x plus 2, so that 3 into 2, you'll be getting here 6x. 3 into 2 again, 6. Now implies we have here x square plus twice x. Now this 6x, let me bring to the left hand side. Now it becomes minus 6x, and then we have minus 15. Same thing, 6 will be brought to the left hand side, so that it becomes minus 6. then there is nothing on the right hand side, so it will be 0. Now x square plus twice x minus 6x, we have minus 4x, minus 15 minus 6, we have minus 21 equal to 0. So now we have the quadratic equation now. And then what happened? After this, you can choose any one of the methods. You can do with factorization, that means splitting the middle term, completing the square, quadratic formula, that is up to you. But for me, let me just do with the factorization method, that means splitting the middle term. So here x square minus, so we have here x minus 21 equal to 0. Okay, product should be how much? This is 1. The coefficient of x square is actually 1. And here the constant term is actually minus 21, but let me leave this minus. Let me just take here 21. So we have 1 into 21, 21. What is the sign of this constant term? This is minus. Minus means we have to write here difference. Difference should be how much? This is 4. When we multiply, we are supposed to get 21, and when we subtract, we are supposed to get 4. Let's see what are the numbers. The pair of the numbers which gives the product is 21. 21 into 1 is 21. 7 into 3 is again 21. Is there any other pair? No. So let us subtract now. 21 minus 1, we have here 20. And here 7 minus 3, we have here 4. But according to this condition, we are supposed to get difference as 4. So the right pair of the numbers is 7 and 3. So let me write here 7 minus 3. So in the next step, we have here x square, minus into plus, minus, then 7, even x should be written here as well, minus into minus, plus. Then we have here thrice x minus 21 equal to 0. Implies from these two terms we can take x common, so that I will write here x and then here x minus 7. And from the last two terms, what we can take common? We can take just 3 common. So here 3, then here x minus 7, then equal to 0. And again, what happened? We have broadly, when we see broadly, what happened? We have again two terms, this part and this part. And when I see this part, what happened? Here is again x minus 7. And for this term, for this part, we have again x minus 7. That means x minus 7 is again common. So we can write here x minus 7, and then again here we have x plus 3 equal to 0. So either x minus 7 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. So we have now x equal to how much? 7. And then here what happened? X means minus 3. Okay, we have got here two different values of x. One is 7 and other is minus 3. But normally, generally in age, when I ask you what is your age, can you say I'm minus 3 years old? That's wrong. Minus is not there actually in the age. So we have to reject this value of x equal to minus 3. So let me write here, rejected x equal to minus 3 is age cannot be negative. Okay, therefore the present age of Rahman is 7 years.